Today I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code to create your own personal finance tracking app. It's going to have ways to track all your monthly expenses and track your net worth. So without further ado, let's dive in and get this thing created. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is come to Claude Code. If you haven't used Claude Code before, there are plenty of videos on how to get Claude Code set up. So I'm not going to bother you with that today. I'm just going to show you what I have created within Claude Code. And the way I like to make my prompts is just use the voice recorder and record what you want it to do. I want to create a personal finance tracking app. And for each month, I need to enter in my expenses and have potential goals for each one of those expenses. Those goals will be like a spending limit for the month, so I know where I'm tracking. So for each month, I want to include bills and utility, dining, groceries, housing costs, and shopping. We can add more categories later, but that's what we want to do for now. So for this part, I want to be able to manually be able to enter each one of these into the app you create me for each month. And then I want a graph that displays all my expenses in a nice pie chart so I can see where I'm spending my money. The second part of this app, I want it to be able to track my net worth. So for each month, I can enter in what my net worth is. And for that, I'm going to need some different account types. So I have my net worth in these different accounts, a 401k, a Roth IRA, an HSA, and a savings account. So for each one of those, I need to be able to enter it in each month. And then also, I want that to be tracked over time. So give me a nice line graph so I can see how my net worth progresses over time. I would also like this app to track my FIRE number. If you know what FIRE is, please add that in there and we can use my expenses and my net worth to show me how I'm tracking to my FIRE number. Okay, now we just hit the send button and we see what Claude comes up with. The cool thing here is Claude is going to build it as a self-contained HTML app, which means we never have to put our information online. It will be all stored on our computer locally and just displayed in your web browser, but it's all local. Alright, so what it's given me so far is a preview of what it's doing. It's still filling some things out, but check this out. It has my spent column to show me how much I've spent each month, and it can also put in a goal or limit to try and see if I can stay within certain zones within certain categories. You can put in whatever categories you want. That is one thing I love about creating this yourself, is you put in the exact categories you want and you don't have to edit someone else's spreadsheet or some other app. Alright, so here we have the net worth tracker, and it looks like we can easily pick our month with this drop-down menu. We're in June. You can enter in your savings, hit save, and it populates on the graph which ones you have. And then we have the FIRE tab that I asked it to add. So let's take a look at this. What is it actually doing here? So we have our withdrawal rate at 4%. That's a pretty standard FIRE number. If you want to be more conservative, you can change it down lower or more aggressive, above 4%, but that's not really recommended if you're retiring early. And then monthly expenses. So autosave from last month, or you can manually enter how much you think your monthly expenses will be in retirement. And then your expected annual return. 7% is a good number to use because that adjusts for inflation. And then here we go. So my FIRE number based on my spending is 0 because I don't have any spending yet. I'm curious what this actually looks like when it's been filled out. So I'm going to have Claude fill out 12 months of data just so we can see what this app looks like with it all filled out. Using the link that Claude gave us, it's a local host, so that means it's running on our computer, but here is the app it created with 12 months of data entered in. So as you can see, June 26th, it shows our bills and utility, dining, everything. Looks like housing, 1,500. So these are just rough numbers. Obviously, this is a pretty low budget in today's standards, but it has the previous 12 months entered in here. Oh yeah, so for each month, you can see the spending breakdown. Something I might have it add on would be to not just have this monthly, but have an average for like the year. That could be a good improvement I can ask Claude to make. So net worth here, it shows our net worth tracked over time, which is really cool. It has our total net worth, our 401k, our Roth IRA. Each account is separate, so you can see how it's tracking over time. And then we have our FIRE number. All right, this gives you how many years until you FIRE, how much passive income if you retired today using the 4% rule, and how much money you still need to get to FIRE. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This seems to be working really good. What I want to have improved here is to add another graph that gives me my average monthly spending over the course of like 12 months, so I get a better view of what I'm spending, because expenses can definitely fluctuate from month to month. Alright, so let's go back to Claude and see what we can do. I want to add in another graph. So for this graph, I want it to be a rolling average of my previous 12-month expenses. This can be a bar graph as well as the totals of each category listed out, and I want them to be listed in order from most expensive to least expensive. All right, it looks like it did it, so let's take a look at this and see what happened. You probably need to refresh it. Oh, okay, 12-month average spend by category. Wow, this is nice. It's got a nice bar graph so we can easily visualize what we're spending the most money on, and then it also lists out the exact amounts of each category. So as you can see there, I was quickly able to prompt Claude and get a new graph with something that is relevant to what I want to see. So if there's anything you want to add, just ask Claude to add it. This was just a quick example of some monthly expenses, net worth, and fire, but you can make this whatever you want it to be and be dialed in for your specific situation. If you're interested to see more details on how I would create my personal finance app and all the detailed tracking it would do, let me know in the comments and I will create that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.